Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly, just simply open the game. Once your game is open, just simply close all the pop-ups that might appear in front of you. To add friends, you will have two options. Just simply play around and then you will eventually make friends in the game. And to check that, just simply go to the friends option at the bottom right, and over here in the leaderboards, if you go to the friends section, you will be able to see the friends that you have made so far. Now they are all friends that I've made online in the game. All you will do is just simply play around, then you will automatically get suggestions to whom you can send friend requests in the add friend section right over here. You will also get friend requests from different people right over here in this section as well. Now if you want to add someone as a friend without playing the game and directly want them as your friend, you can try two options over here. The first option is try to add them using contacts. So click on your contact over here and then you can add them as a friend if they're in your contact. So all you have to do is click on add contact and then you will be able to add their phone number over here, and then all you will do is just simply click on continue. Then they will receive a message from your number and then they will get an invitation link, and then when they will open the link, they will become your friend and you will be able to see them in their friend list. Now the other option is just simply click on the invite link over here and then invite them using these two options, either through any other messaging app that you have on your phone, or just simply invite them using your Facebook. So you can do both options, it's totally up to you. Now if you choose the invite link, click on this option and then you will have the access to invite your friend using any application that can allow messaging to your friend. So as you can see, you will have a lot of options to try. So all you have to do is just simply click on any application. Let's say for example WhatsApp. Then all you have to do is just simply click on that contact and click on the send option. And now all you have to do is just simply send the message. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.